Class 5, Subject is Science, Lecture number 18, Unit number 5, page number of the book is 64. The topic is lever. What is a lever? A lever is a simple machine which turns at a fixed point, which turns about a fixed point. The force is applied at one end, which works at the other end by lifting some load. Why do we use lever? We use lever because we can do great work or lift heavy object with less force by using less force. The fixed point about which a lever turns is called fulcrum, and it is represented by F. The force which is applied is called effort, and it is represented by E, whereas the load that is lifted is represented by L. In the picture, a lid opener is being used. The force is being applied at one end of the lid opener. At the point of fulcrum, it turns about and the lid of the container is removed. There are three classes of lever depending on the different positions of fulcrum, effort E or load. There are three classes of lever depending on the different positions of fulcrum F, effort E and the load L. We come to the first kind of lever. In the first kind of lever, the fulcrum comes in between the effort and the load. In the first class or in the first kind of lever, the position of fulcrum is in between the effort and the load. In this figure, you see 5.13. The distance between fulcrum and the effort is called effort arm, and it is greater than the distance between the fulcrum and the load. Examples of first kind of lever are scissors, pliers, lid opener and claw hammer, etc. In the first class or the kind of lever, effort arm is longer than the load arm, therefore greater force is produced from less or small effort. Because effort arm is longer than the load arm, therefore greater force is produced from less or small effort. In the second kind of lever or the second class of lever, the load comes in between the fulcrum and the effort. The load is in between the effort and the fulcrum. Examples of the second kind of lever are bottle opener, wheelbarrow, nutcracker, paper cutter and door, etc. These are the different examples of second kind of lever. Here you can see, in case of bottle opener, load is between F and E. Wheelbarrow, load is in between F and E. In the case of nutcracker, load is between F and E. Now we come to the third kind of lever or the third class of lever. In the third class, effort comes in between fulcrum and the load. Effort is between the fulcrum and the load. In this case, effort moves a short distance, whereas load moves a long distance. Effort moves a short distance, whereas load moves a long distance. In this picture you see, here is effort, fulcrum and the load. The examples of third kind of lever are pair of tongs, broom, arm, etc. The first and second class of lever are more efficient because load is close to the fulcrum. The first and second kind of lever or class of lever are more efficient because load is close to fulcrum, while effort is far from the fulcrum. The efficiency of first and second class will decrease. The efficiency of first and second type of lever will decrease when load is moved from the fulcrum. And this is all about the different types of lever.